Today I'm your Wood-Mizer rep that's going to show you how to maintain and lubricate your drum switches, your up and down and your forward reverse. Removing the front panel will gain us access to the switches. If you have a sawmill that has a key switch in the middle, be sure to rotate the face of the plate down so that the switch cannot touch the frame of the box. And we can see our two drum switches here. Inside the control box is going to be a small tub of grease. This will be for lubricating those. The manual will tell you that it is best for the life of these switches to clean them and re-grease them every 50 hours. Little bits of metal will arc off of the contacts and start building up in the grease. And then those little bits of metal will make it difficult for the contacts to touch. Using a small screwdriver and a rag, you can get to the switches, the finger contacts. And it doesn't take a whole lot of grease to lubricate them. They just need to be a little slippery. So you can take just a small amount of grease and just dab it onto the fingers. And the contacts, and now you're all lubricated again.